Good morning, everybody. This is a fountain made by Mr. Dheeraj Prabhu. You may be wondered to know who is this Dheeraj Prabhu, what is his age to make these creative things. In India, this is the problem. People like Dheeraj Prabhu stay behind because of our negligence. So, please don't neglect it and watch the full video. Dheeraj is 14 years old. He has planned a simple fountain which can water all the plants and doesn't need any manpower. The water fountain has small ways like you can see here. These ways let the water to go to the plants over there. This way over there makes the water to pass to the water till there. So here the water reaches all the plants properly and no partiality is done to any plant. So let us move forward to the way over here done by Mr. Dheeraj. Here the water passes from the small ways like this. So the plants here doesn't get dry. His brain is so sharp that the water from here doesn't go wasted because there are no plants in front. He has made one dam over here. This is a dam and here the water gets purified. He has also tamed a tortoise here. So we'll have a look over here near the tortoise. This is a tortoise tamed by him. So we'll go forward. This is the way to make the tortoise water get cleaned. Here is a way so that the tortoise cannot escape from here. Now it goes from here and the plants, there is a small field made by him so that the wastewater of tortoise cannot get wasted. He has planned this because the tortoise waste is a good example of biofertilizer. We'll take a look from here. Now we'll come to the other part, the sprinkler irrigation. Sprinkler irrigation.